अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मैं हूं मोहम्मद हारिस। आप देख रहे हैं मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल GPS न्यू बकनवाल। तो आज की इस वीडियो में हम इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज प्रोफिशिएंसी ट्रेनिंग ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बाय बलीज एंड पेक्टा का डे एंड लेक्चर नंबर 19 डिस्कस करेंगे। और हर वीडियो की तरह आज भी हमारे पास एक स्पेसिफिक टॉपिक है जिसके राउंड अबाउट हम न्यू टॉपिक्स और स्पीकिंग गोल्स को डिस्कस करते हुए अपनी इंग्लिश प्रोफिशिएंसी स्किल्स को इम्प्रूव करेंगे। तो अगर आज के हम टॉपिक की बात करें वो है हाउ इज़ द प्रोजेक्ट गोइंग। तो सबसे पहले मैं आपको ये जो चैप्टर है आपकी बुक में से दिखा देता हूँ। ये है चैप्टर नंबर 10 हमारे पास, जो कि आपको बलीज की तरफ से जो किताबें मसूल हुई हैं इसका लेवल 3 हमारे पास है। तो आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं हाउ इज़ द प्रोजेक्ट गोइंग, और इसी चैप्टर को हम अपनी आज की वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे जो कि पेज नंबर 70 पर आपको देखने को मिलेगा। और जस्ट मैं आपको इसका लुक जो है एक बार दिखा दूँ, फिर हम इसे टैब पर ओपन करते हैं। तो ये हमारे पास आज का चैप्टर है। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं तो जल्दी से चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन पर टैप कर लें। वीडियोस आपको अच्छी लग रही हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब लाजमी करें। तो ये हमारे पास चैप्टर ओपन हो चुका है। तो कल यानी कि 11 अगस्त को जो सेकंड बैच है उसका फ़ाइनल टेस्ट होने जा रहा है। तो फाइनल टेस्ट की अगर अभी तक आपने प्रिपरेशन नहीं की तो मेरे चैनल पर जाकर मैंने 2 वीडियोस, एक मॉडल पेपर और एक ऑनलाइन टेस्ट प्रैक्टिस का जो तरीका है वो मैंने आपके साथ शेयर किया है, उसको जाके आप लाजमी चेकआउट करें। तो ये हमारे पास जो है हाउ इज़ द प्रोजेक्ट, इसको हम ओपन कर लेते हैं और इसको 1 बाय 1 हम डिस्कस करते हैं। तो अभी आप देख सकते हैं जैसा कि टॉपिक्स हमारे पास एक ही है, प्रोजेक्ट क्या है? आप घर में मकान तमीर कर रहे हैं, आप स्कूल के अंदर हैं तो अपने कमरा जमात में रंग करवा रहे हैं, आप एक टीचर हैं, रंग बिरंगे चार्ट पेपर लाकर उनको कट करके क्लास में डेकोरेशन के लिए इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं। तो प्रोजेक्ट कोई भी और किसी भी तरह का हो सकता है। स्पीकिंग गोल्स की अगर बात कर लें तो टॉक अबाउट प्रोजेक्ट्स एंड बजट्स। जब भी आप कोई प्रोजेक्ट शुरू करते हैं तो उसके लिए आपको बजट चाहिए होता है। अगर आपने क्लास में रंग करवाना है तो रंग की जो है डिफरेंट क्वालिटीज़ मार्केट में दस्तयाब है। अब आपने अपने सबसे पहले बजट को देखना है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपने रंग करवाना है। इसी तरह टॉक अबाउट स्केड्यूल्स एंड डेडलाइंस। जब आप कोई प्रोजेक्ट शुरू करते हैं, मिसाल के तौर पर आप हफ्ते की रात को अपनी क्लास में जो है ना रंग करवाने जा रहे हैं, इसका मतलब ये है कि आपके पास एक ही दिन है जो कि संडे का दिन है, क्योंकि मंडे से तो क्लासें शुरू हो जाएंगी। इसी तरह अगर आप गर्मियों की छुट्टियों में कोई प्रोजेक्ट शुरू कर रहे हैं तो आपके पास जो भी हुकूमत की तरफ से डेडलाइन होती है, लास्ट डेट समर वेकेशंस की, वो डेट जो है वो आपकी डेडलाइन बन जाती है। आस्क फॉर एंड गिव स्टेटस रिपोर्ट। इसी तरह आप लम्हा ब लम्हा अपने प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में हायर अथॉरिटीज़ को बताते हैं कि हमारा प्रोजेक्ट कितना मुकम्मल हो चुका है और कितना बकाया रहता है। ग्रामर की बात कर लें तो इसमें प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट विद जस्ट बाय डेट और टाइम, वी विल फिनिश प्रोजेक्ट बाय अगस्त 31, मस्ट डोंट हैव टू, नॉट अलाउड टू, पैसिव वॉइस, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट, द प्रपोजल हैज़ बीन सबमिटेड। तो ये सारी चीज़ें आज की इस वीडियो में होंगी। तो अनकॉन्शियसली जब आप इस ट्रेनिंग को अटेंड करते हैं ना तो आपको ऐसे लगता है जैसे हमने कुछ भी नहीं सीखा, इसका कोई मतलब कि स्टार्ट या एंड ही नहीं है। लेकिन अनकॉन्शियसली आप वोकेबलरी सीख रहे होते हैं, जो टॉपिक आपका होता है उसी टॉपिक के अगेंस्ट जो है आप अपना कॉन्फिडेंस डेवलप कर रहे होते हैं। तो इन दिस चैप्टर यू विल टॉक अबाउट प्रोजेक्ट्स एंड बजट्स। तो आज की इस वीडियो में हम प्रोजेक्ट्स और बजट्स के बारे में सीखेंगे। Here we have a picture. What project are you working on now? So it is a question that you can practice. Do you have a budget? Which parts of the budget project are you responsible for? So you might be responsible for a few parts of a budget. Let's suppose if in some place a building is under construction, might be possible you have the full construction project, or you are just responsible for its gray structure. You know, as similarly you are just responsible, you might be responsible for its only a map, only for its whitewash. So here is a question, which part of the project are you responsible for? So next we have, are we going to complete phase 1 on time? Yes, we are right on schedule. Will you be able to meet the deadline? I don't think so, we are already a week behind schedule. ठीक है ना, इसको आप शेड्यूल भी बोल सकते हैं, स्केड्यूल भी बोल सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट है हमारे पास आस्क फॉर एंड गिव स्टेटस रिपोर्ट। जब आप किसी जगह पे प्रोजेक्ट पे काम करते हैं तो आप उसकी स्टेटस रिपोर्ट देते हैं। जी हमारा ग्रे स्ट्रक्चर मुकम्मल हो गया है, जी हमारा वाइट वाश मुकम्मल हो चुका है, जी अब नेक्स्ट वीक तक हमारे पास इलेक्ट्रिकल जो वर्क है वो मुकम्मल हो जाएगा, एट्सट्रा। तो हाउ इज़ द प्रोजेक्ट कमिंग? फाइन, एवरीथिंग इज़ going as planned. So here is a response that you can provide. Please send me the status report as soon as possible. It's urgent. You will have it by the end of the day. So you are replying to your boss. You will have it by the end of the day. Next we have talk about projects and budgets. We are working on a new project. Here are some blanks. Get the proposal approved. Think of, so here you have to put the steps. Think of an idea for a project. So I think it's the first step. Think of an idea of a project, and next present the proposal, write a proposal for the project, start the project, finalize get the proposal approved. So first one is the step B. Second one, write a proposal for the project. So after thinking about the idea, you will write a proposal for the project. After writing the project, you will present the proposal to managers to get the approval. After getting approval, get the proposal approved. After get the proposal approved, you will finalize the project team, and then you will start the project. So these are steps that you can put here above. I have just spoken to the manager. The meeting will last from 9 to 11 a.m. It's 9:02. The meeting has just started. Ashna and Ted finished their presentation at 10:15. It's 10:20. They have just finished their presentation. Have you written your proposal yet? Yes, I have just sent it to Mr. Wilson. Have you heard anything about the project? I have just spoken to David. The board has approved it. So here are some examples of proposing your project to the higher authorities and getting approval for the project to be started. So after approval of the budget, what's the budget after approval of a project? Next step is what's the budget for the event? Budget grand opening event. So here are decorations, budget and spent, catering, audio equipment, advertising. So in addition to the annual budget for regular marketing expenses such as the weekly ads on the internet, we created a separate budget for the grand opening of the new store. Our total budget for the event was $8,000. We actually spent $9,000. We went over budget by $1,000. Our biggest expense was for catering. So they spent more budget on catering. खाने पीने पे जो मधु किया था उस पर उनका ज़्यादा बजट लग गया। तो जब भी हमने कोई प्रोजेक्ट बनाना है, उस पर काम करना है, तो हमने अपने एक्सपेंसेस को और अपनी जिसे कहते हैं ना चादर देखकर पाँव फैलाना, अपने जो बजट है उसके दरमियान में जो है इक्वालिटी को कायम रखना है। अदरवाइज़ इन दिस केस एज यू कैन ऑब्जर्व $1,000 they went over. So next one is talk about budgets and schedules. So if you are aware of the higher expenses as compared to the availability of budget, you can cut expenses. We must cut expenses. Cut your expenses. You have to cut your expenses. You must cut your expenses. Don't start the project until the budget's approved. You cannot start the project until the budget is approved. You are not allowed to start until the budget is approved. You can make the presentation if you want to. You don't need to make the presentation. You don't have to make the presentation. So here was some examples. We are right on schedule. Here is a schedule. Task 1 completed September 20, second task completed September 25, and third, fourth and fifth are pending. So here's a sample schedule. Michael Everett and his team are working on the college project. The final project deadline is November 1. November 1. Here you can see November 1 is the final project deadline. So it has been explained under this paragraph. Phase 3 has already been completed. They finished it a few days ahead of schedule. The project started posted due on Friday. Michael will submit on time. The work on the client presentation is a little behind schedule. Everything else is on schedule. How much time do you have to complete the project. Mike, not much, but so far everything's going according to plan. How about your sales project? Will you be able to finish on time? I think so. If everything goes as planned, we might even finish ahead of schedule. Good luck. So is a conversation about that schedule. Culture corner, please be on time. In general, people in English speaking countries expect things to be done punctually, that is on time. Deadlines, due dates, appointments and meetings time are important, especially in business. Party times and meetings with friends are more flexible. तो पार्टी टाइम्स या मीटिंग्स में जो है टाइम आगे पीछे हो सकता है, लेकिन जो बिज़नेस मीटिंग्स होती हैं ना, उसमें जो है जो भी ये इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग कंट्रीज़ हैं या डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज़ हैं, वहाँ पर बहुत फोकस रखा जाता है कि जो टाइम जो दिन बोल दिया उस पर कमिटमेंट पक्की की जाती है. So here you can take a screenshot as it's about audio files. I cannot provide these to you currently, so you will be able to observe these audio files during your training session in your physically classroom. So next one is everything's going according to plan. To-do list. Here are some to-do list arrange due date, so you can observe it. Are you working late, Johan? Yes, I was away last week and I need to catch up on a lot of work. So late work causes a lot of work. How's the project coming along? Fine, everything is going according to plan. That's great, keep up the good work. The Archie test is running out of time. I know, he lost 3 weeks looking for a contractor. How far behind schedule are we? Rick, about 2 weeks, यानी कि डेडलाइन ख़त्म होने में 2 हफ्ते रह गए हैं. But I have just hired a freelancer that should help us catch up. तो उसने एक फ्रीलांसर को हायर किया जो कि कैचअप मीन्स जो उनकी डेडलाइन है उसको उसी को मद्देनज़र रखते हुए काम मुकम्मल करने की कोशिश करेगा. Expressions with time. So we will learn expressions. The saying time is money is well known, and we talk about time as if it were money. We can spend time with someone or on something, find time to do something, save time by working better or faster, make time to meet someone or do something, run out of time. When something goes wrong, waste time by working on unnecessary थिंग्स. तो जब आप अननेसेसरी थिंग्स पर टाइम वेस्ट करते हैं तो आपकी जो डेडलाइन है उसको फिर आप उस डेडलाइन के अंदर काम को मुकम्मल करने में जो है मुश्किलात फेस कर सकते हैं. आस्क फॉर एंड गिव स्टेटस रिपोर्ट्स. सो नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट प्रोवाइडिंग एंड गेनिंग स्टेटस रिपोर्ट्स. व्हाट्स बीन डन सो फार. फ्रेश एंड लाइट स्टोर प्रोजेक्ट. So here is the name of project, updated September 21. So the update is being provided for the date September 21. Fresh and light store projects. Here phase 1, phase 2. Phase 4 is phase 4 has been completed, delayed. So it's a delayed and delay is August 31 to September 30. So here you can observe special case of delay. Today is September 24. What has already been done? What has just been done? What hasn't been done yet? The company has found a location for the new store. A location for the new store has been found by the company. So this line can be narrated as this way. They haven't trained the new employees yet. The new employees haven't been trained yet. Has the budget been prepared? Yes, it has. Has the project been approved? No, it hasn't. So we prepare the budget and we approve the project. We seek approval of the project. Have the new employees been hired? Yes, they have. Have they been trained? No, they haven't. अभी तक उनको ट्रेन नहीं किया गया. Again we have an audio question and you know what I usually say about these audio files. Talk about projects. Here's our proposal. Your favorite local cafe was damaged by a fire. You have been asked to redecorate it. So here the project is about redecoration of a ruined local cafe, and the cafe was damaged due to a fire. With your partners, come up with a proposal that. So here we have to write a sample proposal. Describe what you would like to do. Divides the work into phases. The work schedule shows how much it will cost to do the budget. So in this proposal we will write about the schedule, proposed work is about decoration, and we will put the budget here. Budget means if you are doing a cheap whitewash budget will be low. If you are doing to emulsion paint, etc., so budget will be high. So you have to manage the budget according to the available money in your pockets. So tell me about the project on Brad. Our last project was a campaign to educate small business owner about recycling. So here we have to fill up a question. We have to generate a question according to this response. So you can observe here the answer is about educate small business owners about recycling. So here we will write what was your last project, and is asking what was your last project. Brad, can you please tell me about something about your last project? So Brad is replying in this way. So here again Anne is something asking, Brad is replying. It had 3 phases. Phase 1 has creating booklets, etc. So here you can write Anne is asking something like this one. Brad, can you please tell me about your project? I mean, how many phases, etc. So take a screenshot of it and you can generate the question according to the response. We had a 75,000 budget. So Anne will ask a question, what's your budget? And Brad is replying here, we went a little over budget but by $1,000. So here Anne is again inquiring about the availability of budget. So in this way you can fill up these blanks by generating anonymous questions but according to the response. So here we have the end of the chapter summaries here, vocabulary and expressions. Project to work on a proposal, to submit, to present, to approve, reject, to spend, daily, weekly, yearly expenses, to cut, budget, over, under, within, to complete, deadline, to meet, miss the. So here is the vocabulary that you must know about. You have to learn their meanings in order to get proficiency in speaking according to the title theme. Ahead of behind schedule, right on schedule, status report update due soon as urgent. So you can read it according to this and again this one. So next we have a grammar portion. Well, we have just completed the first phase. When did that happen? Yesterday afternoon, right on schedule. Excellent. I have just approved the budget for the next phase. So after hearing about the completion of first phase, he is saying I have approved the budget for the next phase. How soon must we submit the proposal? We don't have to submit it this week, but it will look good if we do. It must be received at headquarters by August 2. It's an important project, so the proposal can't be late. Let's send it on Thursday. So in the next, can you finish the status report by 3 p.m. today? You will have it by noon. Well, will the project be completed by July 15? I think so. We are a few days ahead of schedule and the new equipment is speeding things up. Have any deadlines been missed? Let's see. The rooms have been painted and cleaned. 10 people have been hired and are being trained. So all our deadlines have been met so far. How much of the budget has been spent? About 50%. We are under budget. So under budget means they are not worried about the extra expenses that may harm the availability of their budget. Use your English. So here are some assignment question. Think about the last project you worked on. Think of a project you would like to do. Look for time and deadline related sayings and expressions online. So you can pause the video and read them on your own behalf. So if your higher authorities are asking about the status report, you can provide a status report according to this sample. You will start the status report from to subject attachments. Here you will attach some pictures or documentations, receipts, etc. Dear Rebecca, sincerely staff. So it's an example of status update. Next we have matched the underlined words in the email with their meanings below. So first one, please find attached my status report. तो here the option number 1 is relevant to option number 8. Okay, please find attached in a file sent with this email my status report for May. We are a bit dash behind schedule. We are a bit means a little, ठीक है ना, a little, its meaning is little, and behind the attached right now become of the brochure means a pamphlet. Here is D option is relevant to 3 booklets for advertising. I had to send them back because the ink they used comes off the paper. The printing company says they will send us new ones as soon as possible. We should have them by the end of the week. They aren't going to charge us for this, so there is no extra expense to us. We should be able to get back on track. Get back on track means be on schedule again by the end of the month. By the end of the month means on or before the end of the month. And the 5th one is everything else is going according to plan. 5th one is F, and according to plan as expected. So option number C has a meaning equivalent to option number C. So it was a simple assignment. Next we have you are writing to Rebecca to send your June status report. Since your last update, the new brochure have arrived and they are okay. Your team had to work some overtime during the month to get the project back on track. You will finish the project by the deadline. So here you have a sample in above as here. So following this sample you can type the response here. So chapter 11 is here, over chapter 10 is over. Now we discuss the assignment. So here is the assignment. Assignment is a friend of yours is going to a meeting in your country, Pakistan. What tips or suggestions can you give about making small talk? So I will scroll up slowly. You can pause the video in order to take your screenshot. So here is a weather and you can take screenshot of it. Now I move weather upwards in the way current events, and then you have to take the screenshot of last part. So ये आज की वीडियो थी जिसके अंदर हमने चैप्टर 10 को डिस्कस किया. कल आपका टेस्ट भी है जो कि 11 अगस्त को होगा, और कल मैं इसका जो लास्ट चैप्टर है प्रोबेबली वो भी आपके साथ जो है मैं शेयर कर दूंगा. इसके बाद जो रिमेनिंग डेज़ बच जाएंगे इस ट्रेनिंग के, उसमें मेथडोलॉजी डिस्कस की जाएगी फिज़िकली इन योर ट्रेनिंग सेशंस. वीडियोस आपको अच्छी लग रही हों क्योंकि अब हम मेरा और आपका साथ चंद दिन का है और ये ट्रेनिंग ख़त्म हो जाएगी, और फिर किसी नई ट्रेनिंग में हम नए किसी थीम टॉपिक के साथ जो है दोबारा मुलाकात करेंगे. आज की वीडियो आपको कैसी लगी कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइए. अब तक के लिए इतना ही. मैं हूं मोहम्मद हारिस. अल्लाह हाफिज़.